Hi, my name is George, and in this video, we're comparing LegalZoom versus ZenBusiness, two of the most well-known business formation services available today. Whether you're launching your first business or looking for a hassle-free way to handle filings and compliance, choosing the right service is a crucial step. We'll compare their services, pricing, processing times, ease of use, and customer support. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which platform best suits your needs. And before we get started, just a quick note, some links in the description are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them. This won't cost you anything extra and it helps me support my channel. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. What services do ZenBusiness and LegalZoom offer? Both platforms cover the essentials when it comes to business formation. They allow you to form an LLC, S Corp, or C Corp, and they both offer registered agent services, which ensure that official documents and legal notices are properly received and handled on your behalf. Now, where they differ is in their approach to additional services. LegalZoom provides a slightly broader range of legal services, including business name reservation, attorney consultations, and intellectual property protection like trademark filings. If you anticipate needing regular legal advice, LegalZoom offers attorney access for an extra fee, with plans starting at $259 for 6 months or $469 per year. ZenBusiness, on the other hand, focuses on making business formation and compliance as simple and effective as possible. While it doesn't offer direct legal consultations, it does provide compliance monitoring, worry-free annual report filings, and even business banking services to help you stay organized as your company grows. For entrepreneurs who need to form a business without expensive legal add-ons, ZenBusiness is the more streamlined, cost-effective choice. However, if you're looking for a service that also includes access to lawyers for ongoing legal questions, LegalZoom may be worth considering, but at a significantly higher price. How much do ZenBusiness and LegalZoom cost? So, one of the biggest factors in choosing a business formation service is, of course, cost. And this is where ZenBusiness stands out as the more affordable option. Both services offer a $0 starter plan where you only pay the required state filing fees. This is great if you just want to get your business legally registered without additional services. However, when you move beyond the basic package, ZenBusiness provides more value at a lower cost. ZenBusiness Pro Plan, $199 per year, which includes an operating agreement, EIN filing, expedited processing, and compliance monitoring. ZenBusiness Premium Plan, $299 per year, which adds a business website, email address, and domain name registration. LegalZoom, on the other hand, has the Pro Plan, which is $249 per year, offering business formation services, but without as many compliance features as ZenBusiness. Then they got the Premium Plan at $299 per year, which matches ZenBusiness in price, but still lacks some of its built-in compliance protections. LegalZoom also charges higher rates for S Corp and C Corp formations, with prices starting at $149 for basic services and going up to $349 for expedited processing. ZenBusiness keeps its pricing consistent regardless of the business structure. Now, additionally, ZenBusiness's registered agent services cost $50 less than LegalZoom's. Since having a registered agent is required in most states, this is a significant long-term saving. For most entrepreneurs, ZenBusiness offers better pricing with fewer hidden fees. So if you're looking for a transparent and cost-effective way to form and maintain your business, ZenBusiness is the better choice. How long does it take to process your filing? Speed is an important factor when forming a business, especially if you're eager to begin operations as soon as possible. ZenBusiness provides faster processing times than LegalZoom at a lower cost, making it a solid option for entrepreneurs who want to get started quickly. With ZenBusiness, the starter plan can take up to 3 weeks to process, but upgrading to the Pro or Premium plans reduces that time frame to as little as 1 to 5 days. This expedited processing is included at no extra charge, which is beneficial for those who want to move forward without additional expenses. Now, LegalZoom, by comparison, has a standard processing time of 5 to 14 days, regardless of which plan you choose. If you need your filing completed sooner, LegalZoom offers a 1-day processing option, but it comes with an additional $99 fee. This may be worth considering for businesses that need immediate registration, but it does add to the overall costs. For business owners prioritizing both speed and affordability, ZenBusiness offers a more efficient option without requiring extra fees for faster service. LegalZoom's expedited processing is useful for those who are willing to pay for it, but ZenBusiness provides similar speeds in its Pro and Premium plans as part of the package. The right choice ultimately depends on how quickly you need your business formed and whether you're comfortable paying extra for faster processing. Which platform is easier to use? Both LegalZoom and ZenBusiness are designed to simplify the business formation process, but ZenBusiness offers a more user-friendly experience with a streamlined and intuitive approach. From the moment you start filing, ZenBusiness guides users through each step clearly, ensuring that even first-time business owners can complete the registration with confidence. The platform is built for simplicity, avoiding complex legal jargon and unnecessary steps, making it easy to follow along without feeling overwhelmed. LegalZoom, while also offering a structured filing process, tends to introduce upsell opportunities throughout the experience, frequently prompting users to purchase additional services. While some of these services may be beneficial for specific business needs, the constant upsells can make the process feel more like a sales pitch than a straightforward business registration tool. This can be quite frustrating for users who just want to form their company without being bombarded with extra offers. Another advantage of ZenBusiness is that it provides a more guided and distraction-free experience. The platform focuses solely on essential business formation services without pushing unnecessary add-ons at every turn. This allows users to complete their filings efficiently without second-guessing whether they need additional features that may not be relevant to their specific business. Now, LegalZoom does offer slightly more customization options for businesses with unique needs, but this added flexibility comes at the cost of a more cluttered experience, which may not be ideal for users who prefer a simple and straightforward filing process. For those who value clarity, efficiency, and a hassle-free experience, ZenBusiness is the better choice, ensuring that forming a business remains as smooth and stress-free as possible. How good is their customer support? Customer support is an important factor, especially if you run into issues with your filings. ZenBusiness has built a strong reputation for responsive, friendly, and knowledgeable customer service. Users frequently report fast response times and helpful representatives who make the process easier. LegalZoom also offers customer service, but reviews are mixed. Some customers have positive experiences, but others mention longer wait times and difficulty canceling services. A common complaint is that LegalZoom makes it challenging to opt out of automatic renewals, leading to unexpected charges. Now, both companies provide helpful online resources, but ZenBusiness delivers a more consistent and personalized customer service experience. Which business formation service should you choose? At the end of the day, ZenBusiness provides the best balance of affordability, speed, and ease of use. LegalZoom has a stronger focus on additional legal services, which may be beneficial for those who anticipate needing frequent attorney assistance. However, for most small business owners, these services come at an unnecessarily high cost. So if you're looking for a simple, cost-effective way to form your business, ZenBusiness is the better choice. Their pricing is more affordable, their processing times are faster, their platform is easier to navigate, and their customer support is more responsive. So, if you're ready to form your business with a reliable and affordable service, check out ZenBusiness through the link in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.